In this video, the focus is on how companies can make change management within SAP Activate even more effective, based on interviews, method comparisons, and best practices. Our interviews with practitioners and experts clearly show that effective change management in SAP projects requires targeted structures and tools. A particularly strong recommendation is to establish a dedicated change management stream within the SAP Activate model, with its own roles, objectives, and measures. Classic tools such as stakeholder analyses or risk matrices are useful for identifying and involving affected groups in a targeted manner. These tools should not only be used as add-ons, but be firmly integrated into the project process. This process is supported by AI-powered training producers, which capture the current learning status of users and suggest appropriate learning content. Change management should be designed to be agile and interactive, with active employee participation and continuous feedback. Only in this way can change truly succeed. The SAP 6-phase plan has already been covered in detail in the third video. Here, the key points are summarized again, with a focus on change enablement, specifically on targeted training and employee support. Interactive training tools with clear, step-by-step instructions should be mandatory. Change management belongs in all project phases, not as an add-on, but as an integral part. Only then can uncertainties be reduced and the system introduction be successful. Change requires structure, and this is exactly where Kotter's change model helps. While SAP Activate describes the technical project flow, Kotter shows how to guide human change effectively. His model focuses on motivation, vision, and cultural anchoring. To steer the human dimension of change, we have overlaid the SAP Activate phases, the OCM work packages, and Kotter's 8 steps. From this, recommendations for each project phase emerge, methodologically sound and practically relevant. In the Discover phase, the focus is on creating change awareness. A change readiness assessment can be used to analyze the current situation. According to Kotter Step 1, creating a sense of urgency, measures such as gathering external crisis indicators or disclosing critical market data can help. In addition, the foundation for the vision is established. This vision is developed in line with Kotter Step 3, Vision and Strategy Development, for example through interactive workshops or customer panels at management meetings. In the Prepare phase, a strong leadership team is built, as recommended in Kotter Step 2, Building the Guiding Coalition. Credibility, diversity, and assertiveness are key. Central OCM work packages include the change assessment, stakeholder analysis, communication planning, change impact analysis, and the training strategy. The vision is further developed in line with Kotter Step 3, supported by workshops, leadership coalition building, and off-site team building events. The Explore phase is dedicated to communication. The task now is to communicate the vision clearly, in line with Kotter Step 4, communicating the vision through multiple communication channels and storytelling. At the same time, structural barriers must be identified and removed to enable the implementation of early change signals, in line with Kotter Step 5. In the Realize phase, barriers are systematically addressed as required by Kotter Step 5, such as by adjusting organizational structures or confronting internal blockers. It is also important to make early successes visible, as suggested by Kotter Step 6. Here, communication measures and storytelling continue to play a central role, complemented by incentive and reward systems, as well as the systematic removal of structural obstacles. The Deploy phase focuses on consolidating and further developing successes in line with Kotter Step 7. Achievements must not only be reached but also made visible and celebrated in line with Kotter Step 8. This can be achieved through KPI dashboards for objective success measurement and the public communication of milestones, for example via events or digital platforms. In the final run phase, The change is permanently anchored in corporate culture, as per Kotter Step 8. This includes continuously learning from resistance and systematically promoting successful employees and placing them in key roles in line with Kotter Step 7. The combination of SAP Activate with Kotter Steps and the OCM work packages provides a robust framework for change management, integrated into every project phase and supported by effective methods. Change management must not be a one-off add-on, but must run systematically alongside the project. The models provide the framework needed to steer the human side of transformation. Those who approach change management in an agile way continuously gather feedback, for example through retrospectives, check-ins, or pulse surveys. This makes change tangible and prevents it from remaining just a theoretical concept. With this, you now have concrete recommendations from practice, from theory, and from the SAP framework itself. It is now up to you to apply them wisely,